Hello everyone, welcome to Shanaya Training Institute Private Limited. We are going to discuss today a very interesting topic related to instrumentation engineers. See, in the industry, so many instrumentation engineers are there who want to pursue their career in the field of instrumentation design. As you all know, there are various job openings coming across the country for the role of instrumentation design engineer in almost every companies. Every renowned MNC is hiring instrumentation design engineer always and on a regular basis. Always vacancies are coming, opening are coming, always posts are coming, always walk-in drive are going on. So what are the reason that these companies are always hiring on the hiring mode? What are the reason that they are not able to uh, get desired skill set or desired candidate, or they are not able to fulfill their requirements? And also in this journey we will discuss about the career upliftment procedure, like if you are an instrumentation engineer and if you want to pursue your career in the field of instrumentation design engineering, then this video is for you. So I would like to request all of you that please subscribe our channel so that in future if we upload any video related to the instrumentation design or related to any engineering design, you can get easily updates from there. So thank you for your subscription, and just be till the last of this video, because this video will become a turning point of your career. So without wasting the time, let us start. Instrumentation design engineer, your journey starts from here. Means for the instrumentation design engineering, this journey is already started since you have started this video to watch, and I hope you will watch this video till the end. So let us move. So changing your career to become an instrumentation design engineer, especially in the field of oil and gas or EPC engineering, procurement and construction industries, involves a clear plan that blends technical education, practical skills, and strategic positioning. In this video, we are going to discuss a step-by-step roadmap that make that transition effectively to become instrumentation design engineer. Okay, so let us move further. So what are the key points which we are going to discuss in this video? Like, understand the role. These all 10 points will be required to inculcate in your skill set to become instrumentation design engineer, and all these points I will discuss in detail one by one in every slide. So the topic which we are going to discuss over here, that is understand the role. Access your current background, gain formal training, build a project portfolio, master key tools, learn industry standards, certification, update your resume and LinkedIn, apply for entry-level roles and internship, keep upgrading. Okay, so understand the role. Instrumentation design engineer are responsible for what? First of all, you have to understand the role. That what is the role of instrumentation design engineer? Now here most of the people misguide. Why I tell misguide? Because if you are an instrumentation engineer and you have worked for 10 years or 12 years or 15 years in the industry as an instrumentation engineer, but not as a design engineer. You have worked as a site engineer, you have worked as a construction engineer, you have worked as a commissioning shutdown engineers. Okay, so those roles you have already done very well, and by that role you understand that yes, I am working since 15 years, so I know each and every instruments and their details. But friend, the design is totally different than commissioning, erection, site activities. Okay, this design is totally different. So first of all, you need to understand the role and responsibilities of instrumentation design engineer. Okay, and specifying instruments and control system used to measure and control process variable like pressure, temperature, level and flow. Means instrumentation engineer need to use instruments to measure and control the process variable. Those are pressure, temperature, level and flow. So the key responsibility of instrumentation engineer are to prepare the deliverables. Those are related to the instrumentation design. So now what are those deliverables? Like instrument index, data sheet, hookup drawings, design of cable schedule, JB layout, loop diagrams, instrument based on process data sheet, selection of instrument based on the process data sheet, selection of the material of the instruments, range of the instruments, type of the instruments, familiarity with the engineering standards like ISA, IEC, API, and various various standards which is being followed in the field of instrumentation design. Also, instrumentation engineer must have some software skill set like AutoCAD, Smart Plant Instrumentation, InstruCalc, SP3D. So such kind of the software skill sets should be also there. So first of all, you understand here, like you need to understand the roles and responsibility. You need to understand that what are the deliverables instrument design engineer to prepare once he will be there in the field of instrumentation design. What are the different software he must know. Okay. So next is access your current background. Now instrumentation, electrical, electronics engineering already relevant. Means most of the queries come to us like, sir, I am from the electronics and communication, so can I come into the instrumentation design? I am from the electrical background, so can I come to the instrumentation design? But see, here we say like instrumentation engineers, electrical engineers, electronics engineers, all those are relevant to the instrumentation field. So all those engineers are very easy way they will be able to join this field. But if I talk about the mechanical or chemical engineer, these are related but require more focused training. Why? Because they are not from the core background of electronics or instrumentation. Okay, but IT and others field it is very hard for them. Okay, so especially we recommend the people who are from the instrumentation, electrical, electronics kind of things, industrial instrumentation. So those are most suitable people for this role. Okay, next is gain formal training. So this step is very important because nowadays what is happening, people has knowledge of instrumentation, but they don't have a knowledge of instrumentation design. Okay, so what they think, I have knowledge of instrumentation, so I can easily go in the instrumentation field, but that is very hard. So to upgrade yourself, to make you a suitable candidate for this role, you must have to go with some formal training related to the instrumentation design. And no doubt, we are the best training provider in the country who are providing the training on the instrumentation design. Okay, and thousands of candidates has already taken the training and they are well settled in their career after getting the training. So don't think that you are investing money so after 10 years, so that is not justified. Boss, if you are spending money for this at this time, so that money you can recover in only 1 month salary. Okay, but don't let it be go, because your career is going to help you throughout your life. Okay, so don't hesitate to go for the formal training. Okay, skill upliftment, skill training is must and desired. Okay, so enroll in a professional course tailored for instrumentation design engineering. Look for industry recognized training institute, like here in red font I have written Shanaya Training Institute, because I know my quality, I know my services, which will going to help you out throughout your career to become an instrumentation design engineer in the industry. So the courses covering in these trainings like instrumentation design basic, control system basics, field instruments, wiring loop diagram, software tools like SPI, AutoCAD. Okay, recommended duration will be 1 month. Okay, in parts. So in detailed design engineering training, if you want to contact us, you can contact on this number. That is my WhatsApp number through which you can contact us. This is our website. Okay, build a project portfolio. Okay, once you go with the training, after that you try to make some documents like sample P&ID read, instrument index prepare some instrument data sheet or sizing calculations review some hookup drawings, loop drawings, realistic case studies and caption projects. So we will let you train for these documents and deliverable on real project documents, which will just make you comfortable and to understand the instrumentation design output, that what are the outputs the instrumentation design documents deliverables. Okay, master key tools. Why key tools is must required? Because if you are going to work in the instrumentation field now, so in that field you must have to be idea of AutoCAD. You have a good idea of the SPI, because nowadays SPI is widely being asked from the instrumentation engineer. You must have a good command on the Excel sheet, and you must have a good command on the SP3D also. Okay, so these are the tools. If you know each and every tool, so that will be more beneficial for us, for you. So try to grasp or try to enhance your knowledge as much as possible. Okay, next one is learn industry standards. Means if you are trying to go in the instrumentation field, so try to learn the related standards which is being used in that industry. So once you will join our training program, we will let you know each and every standards in detail, that how that standard will work for which instruments and how we will utilize those standards. So those things we will discuss in training in detail. Certifications, yes, we will also provide the certification. So certification that can boost your resume. This is optional but valuable. So this certification, which certificate we will provide after the training, that certificate will just make you will be a proof like you have undergone this such kind of the training, and that skill set is already there with you. So instrumentation design and detail engineering training certification, SPI AutoCAD certification. There are some other certifications also. So certification is just a proof that you are a real instrumentation design engineer. Now update your resume and LinkedIn. This part is very very important after the training. Like if you have done the training, you have understand the requirements, you have understand the deliverables, you have a certification, everything, now knowledge, everything. But unless until you don't write in the resume, your resume is not going to select by the recruiter, and you will be not be able to provide any kind of you will not get any opportunity to prove yourself in the interview. So you need to upgrade your resume and you need to upgrade your profile on the LinkedIn. Okay, I will let you know that how to upgrade the profile and how to upgrade your resume on the LinkedIn and on the Naukri, which will attract a most attractive jobs for your profile. Okay, so here also the Shanaya Training Institute is going to help you out in this requirements. Apply for entry level roles and internships. So people who are from the instrumentation field but they are not a design, and those are new in this field, like any GET is coming in this field or any 1 2 year experience, they can apply for a entry level roles. Junior instrumentation engineer, CAD designer, EPC support roles, instrumentation design training. So such kind of the initial roles they can apply. They can consider some good EPC companies like L&T, Petrofac, Technip, etc. Instrumentation vendor, they can also try in the instrumentation vendor companies. These are for the people who are from the instrumentation field and they are new, means entry level roles. Okay, so they can join over here. But the people who is having experience, we will also let you know that how you can utilize your current experience to enter in the instrumentation design field. So those field will those experience will also not going wastage for you. We will anyhow recover everything whatever you have spent in the other field, and those will be also give you a good advantage while you will turn your career in the field of instrumentation design engineering. Okay, keep upgrading. This key skill is must always. Never think that you know each and everything. Always just digging for the knowledge, because there is no other substitute than knowledge. As it is said, knowledge is power. Okay, so always try to learn smart instrumentation techniques, industrial IoT integrations. Okay, nowadays artificial intelligence are coming, so AI is coming in our field. So learn various automation related tools, techniques, and it is must in upgrading. Like you must have to go for the instrumentation design, SPI training, SP3D training, AutoCAD training. Some people say, sir, if I do instrumentation design engineering training, then that will be more, and that will be, I think, sufficient to get the job. Was it might be sufficient to get the job, but to become excel, you must have a good knowledge of everything. Okay, as much as knowledge you have, as much salary or as much package you will expect. Or also once you go to the senior position, now you will have to handle each type of people. Okay, so if you don't have any such kind of the skill set, so how you will handle the people who is under you? So for that you must have a good skill set of each and every aspects of the instrumentation design, and whatever the tools and software being used in the industry, you must have a good idea over there. Okay, so for any suggestions, any discussion, you may write to us on our WhatsApp number. Okay, and the people who is looking for any kind of the instrumentation related training, so you can go with these trainings details. We are having these trainings for the instrumentation people. This is my WhatsApp number, so you can contact me over here. Okay, so I hope this video is more informative and more interesting for you. Still, if you have not liked our video, please subscribe our channel. We will be very happy for that. Thank you for your patience, and we will see further for your further career upgradation in the field of instrumentation design. Thank you.